The lighting is like.
Isn't it really? Dude, her camera's.
I'm struggling.
Look at that
You
booty.
think if I swap them, she'll
All
know?
the booty.
Okay, where am I going?
Denise,
No, come back down.
What?
Come back down. You went too
Yeah,
far.
you went too far.
Why didn't you tell me
Like
before
right
I
under
went
that
up?
branch.
Right there, like in front of the branch.
In front of the branch, yeah.
Yeah, like right there.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh.
I need to change lenses. Fuck.
Should I keep videoing this?
Yeah.
Okay, don't stop.
BTS.
BTS.
Sounds like I'm cussing you out, but I'm not.
You're giving us some K-pop?
Yeah. No. It's behind the scenes.
We're just gonna keep videoing, Cass?
Yeah. Just everybody. Just get everybody.
Close up. Cass, are we videoing?
Yeah. Get my pimple, please.
Look at me.
Whoa! I'm too hot for camera.
Too hot.
The camera might turn off.
Close up.
Yeah.
And back to the real point of focus.
It's the point of focus. She is the point of focus.
Yes.
We need to get one, but both of you actually.
By the way.
Yeah, go in there, Lundy.
Yeah, get in there. This is like making me think of
amazing photo.
this is an amazing. I'm already seeing it through this.
Through the lens.
What do I do with this?
You can actually, you know what you can do? This good thing about this thing, it actually is like a little arm. You can just plant it something and somewhere later just film us.
This is like an octopus.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put it over here.
Am I gonna have enough memory for all this filming?
I'm not, yeah, you are.
Okay, we can delete some of
You can delete it. I'm gonna transfer it once we get back.
Watch out. Everyone watch your heads. We got a serious rock.
Oh my god, look at how sparkly my phone is. You're beautiful, serious.
You want me to toss this?
Maybe not. Oh, I'm
Okay, I'm
sliding.
gonna toss it that way. Ready?
Ow!
Okay, maybe just shake the one above your head.
Okay. Watch out. Ready?
Getting cold.
Wait, no!
Denise is like,
yeah.
excuse me, that was so
It's
rude.
so dumb.
I'm covered.
Why? Why did we do that?
Wait, hold on. I need to put our company in.
Not Blizzard.
Film,
We're not.
film.
For
Just
later.
like throw it. We're filming films.
We are?
I'm
Are
busy.
we gonna make a documentary?
Yeah, we're gonna have a vlog. It's already started.
Hold on. My memory card is writing.
Oh no.
The question is what we should call it.
17,
Call it.
16, 15.
Two
Wow,
that's
Persian
a name yet.
princes and
This SD card
two
is fucking
Persian
slow.
princes and
What about like Persia meets something? I don't know.
you're kind of Arabian yourself from Turkey.
Arabian.
Don't ever say that too.
Sorry.
Yeah. Someone called me one time. He's like, what do you say? Arab or something?
Yeah.
We're like, excuse me, that's
What?
not true.
I'm like, excuse me?
Okay.
Very different.
No.
No.
There we go.
Whoa.
Do it.
Cool. That was a good shot.
That's
I'm
good
actually really stoked for that.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I know how
Can
good
we
the shot
see some?
looks from when I was looking at it from the phone.
Take your sunglasses off real quick.
Yeah.
Those eyes. Green and
am I in your way?
blue.
No, I'm adjusting with you. No one.
Adjusting with me.
This can be your Christmas cards.
Oh,
we should send them
That's
out.
really cute.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas with Denise and Alandi.
Yeah, couple card.
I want to get a close up.
Okay, I think we're gonna do that.
Okay.
It can be happy.
I'm
New
in.
Year.
It's our turn next.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Sounds
right?
good to
Happy
me.
New Year, Merry
Hideki
Christmas.
gets one.
Oh, that's sick. Keep doing that.
Okay.
Wait. My thing's processing. I need
Okay.
some time.
If I need a fast
My
card.
camera's not as. It's almost out of stuff. Stop.
No.
That's what I was thinking.
No,
Save
there's
some for
so
later.
I
much.
need 30 seconds. God damn, I didn't know that
You need a
SD
faster
cards
card.
mattered so much.
Yeah.
You
But
live and you
you
learn.
had the whole point I got this camera is because the second one here is faster, so you can shoot raws easily with it.
Oh, yeah,
Can we
but
stretch for a sec?
I'm
My
not gonna
legs-
move, but you can do what you need.
Okay.
If I move, I feel like I'm just out.
I'm
you
out.
guys are your close up?
I kind of want a close up too, man.
Yeah.
You
I
and that
do.
pimp?
I want that.
Can we do a selfie, groupie? Like,
Oh yeah,
Everyone?
but this, I could do it with this actually.
okay.
We could do it with either one, with camera or not camera.
It could be.
Okay.
Her
I'm
camera's
ready.
so
Happy
good.
holidays from. What's our group name?
We'll figure it out.
Okay, we'll figure it out.
I'm ready for you.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Ready, McGetty?
I don't know if this is good angle.
Perfect.
I'm taking it all off.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey.
I'm gonna walk out.
He's gonna
naked.
blend in.
But you're gonna blend in.
Yeah.
I want to blend in. Okay. I am the nature.
I am the nature.
Hold on, I want to go in the picture with them.
Okay.
This is how you come pee.
Are you gonna go right there? You should go right there.
Sure.
Yeah, right there.
Should I?
Or
And
behind
then-
us.
Yeah, I'm not
Whatever
ready.
you want.
I'm stuck in my spot. It's cute. Yeah, this is cute.
Oh!
Oh wait, Kazra, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
just checking.
Alandi, I need you to. No, I'm not ready.
Jingle cast!
Alright, I'm ready now.
Okay, it's
He
happening.
might be flaking.
Ready yet?
Jingle cast!
No.
Oh, no!
On your face.
Jingle all the way.
Yeah. No, it's
Oh,
not
no!
Alright, okay, I got some good ones.
Let's do an all picture.
An all-
Dude,
an
how do you
all
get it to
these.
face lock?
Face lock?
Yeah.
That's why I don't do it on this, because I don't want to
Yeah.
be focusing on
You're
your
right.
You're gonna
Fuck,
do
I might need to do this one more time.
See, I still got things to tell you, man.
Yes.
I know
Yeah,
you're a
I should-
genius.
I should just put on a manual.
I still have things to teach.
Oh.
I found useless. I've been seeing his photos. I'm like, damn it.
Damn
He's
it.
better than me.
Better than better.
No, I can't teach anything.
We both learn a lot from each other.
What are you
I know.
talking about?
I learned all kinds of shit from you. You have to show me the Photoshop thing, though. Okay, this is what I can do. Actually, we don't even have to move. This is what I can do.
Yeah, we'll just sit here.
But look at how pretty my phone looks.
Yeah, your phone
Oh
looks
my
good.
god. Sparkly, serious.
We should take pictures of the phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any snow left?
Look left.
No, is there any snow left?
Oh, yes. Have you looked up here? Whoops.
Oh, that's such a good picture.